Here at Nebraska Quilt Company, we absolutely love batiks. We love sewing with batiks. We love buying batiks. We love sharing batiks with you, our quilters and our consumers. So we're going to have a little batik series, and the first thing I'm going to discuss is why are batiks different from quilting cottons. Batiks are dyed differently. They're made in Indonesia. They're handmade by people. They lay over the fields, and they're beautifully handcrafted and made fabrics. So when batiks are made over in Indonesia, they take chops that have the designs on them and they use wax and they literally press the dye into the beautiful fabrics. The wax and the colors are layered on top of each other to get that unique blend so that you can see the different colors blending and moving in the fabric. Batik fabrics also have a tighter weave, so the thread count is a little tighter compared to traditional cotton. Why I like to use batiks, especially for complicated projects, is the front and the back of a batik looks exactly the same most of the time. So I don't ever get mixed up when I am on the wrong side or the right side of the fabric. Whereas on traditional cotton, you know when you've sewed on the right side or the wrong side of the fabric. So batiks can totally change any pattern. I'd encourage you to try batiks. We have a whole half of a room dedicated to the batik fabrics here at Nebraska Quilt Company. If you have any questions, check our batiks out online and come visit us here in store.